So good morning. So in today's session we are going to discuss about the distributed computing and cloud computing. So what is meant by distributed computing? So distributed computing is a field of computer science that studies distributed systems. A distributed system is a system whose components are located on different network computers, which communicate and coordinate by passing messages. So second one is cloud computing. So cloud computing means what? It's a use of hardware and software to deliver a service over the internet. So cloud is just a metaphor for internet. So cloud means internet. Computing means processor and memory storage. So internet means what? Anywhere, anytime. So cloud is a different name used for internet or anywhere, anytime. So we can define cloud computing as anywhere, anytime processing and storage. To simplify, that is, we can store data anywhere, anytime. So cloud computing is a practice of using network of remote servers, that is hosted on the internet to store, manage and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. So you can also note what cloud is. It's a large pool of easily usable resources. Next we are going to see about the types of clouds. 4 types of clouds are there. As you can see here, it's public, private, hybrid and community. So public means what? So it is mainly used by general public. So whenever a type of cloud or a type of storage is used by a general public, it comes under public cloud. So many users can share the storage, Google Drive, email, etc. Private cloud means what? Mostly organizations use these type of clouds. These types of clouds are purely owned by organizations for their purpose. So this is the diagrammatic representation. Then here a dedicated storage will be there in private cloud. In public cloud, many users can share the storage, but in private cloud, the independent organizations have a dedicated storage. This is the main difference between private and public clouds. Main difference is shareable storage in public, private it is dedicated storage. Example means Unacademy wants to store all of its videos into its dedicated storage, then it comes under private cloud. Hybrid means what? Hybrid means what? It's a combination. So here hybrid cloud means it's a combination of public and private. So if any organizations use private cloud and public cloud, then it comes under hybrid cloud. Then the last one is community cloud. So suppose there are many organizations and they want a storage. So they purchase a storage and divide among them, that is in the organization. Here organization shares the storage between them. This is called as community cloud. So a community purchases a cloud, storage and divides among them. So that is called as community cloud. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.